Meaning of disband.
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 Disband. The word disband means to break up or dissolve a group or organization, typically a formal one. The result of disbandment is that the members of the group or organization are no longer bound together by the purpose and goals that brought them together in the first place. Disbandment can happen for various reasons, such as the completion of a project, lack of funding, or irreconcilable differences among members. In any case, the outcome is the termination of the group's existence and the dispersal of its members.